Now that we've finished with our seats, we can move on to these carpets. A large layer of long white husky hair down here. But thanks to my rubber broom being so wide, I can get a lot of these large areas pretty easily. Just a few long passes. Try to keep your hands steady and move in confident strokes, and then bring those clumps of hair into one spot on the carpet and just vacuum it all up. I believe this detail took me about 2.5 hours, maybe 3 hours, and this was just a basic vacuum and obviously pet removal, and then a quick wipe down of all the plastics and other interior bits. Full of pet hair. As we move on to these after images, you can see there is a great big difference with this interior of the car. These cloth seats are back to their nice black cloth material instead of looking like white dog hair. I did wipe down this front areas, I just didn't get it on footage. So you can see the cup holders are not nasty anymore. The steering wheel is clean, all of the buttons do not have dog slobber all over them. On these back seats here, you can see the footwells are clean, and these rear seats actually cleaned up really well. I was surprised there wasn't really dog spit or slobber anywhere. It was just the hair and a couple paw prints on the doors, so not much to clean up on the actual cloth themselves. When the owner came out, they were ecstatic at the difference that I made, and it felt good helping a community member. So please leave a like and subscribe if you like this content. I'm AJ Supal. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching. If you like this content, please remember to leave a like and subscribe. This is Baseline Fresh.